Villa Minimale by Clemens Kirsch Architektur in Vienna, Austria. An allotment house in the hills of Vienna. A summer retreat for relaxation, socializing, and gardening. Optimized floor space with maximum efficiency. The maximum gross floor area is limited by building laws to 35 square meters, and the building height to 5 m. The house is meant to host a family of 4 persons. Villa Minimale, Villa Rotonda, A. Palladio/Vicenza, IT, meets King's Roadhouse, R. Schindler/Los Angeles, US. The ground floor consists of a central dining space, a bathroom, a kitchen, a cozy niche, and a staircase. On the upper level there are 3 bunks with a camping feeling and views of the stars through skylights. 4 identical wooden sheds are put together in the form of a windmill with a central oculus inside. Prefabricated timber construction with larch cladding on the outside with a copper roof and sea pine plywood cladding on the inside. The relationship between inside and outside is essential to the atmosphere of the space. The landscape flows through the building and offers views into nature in all 4 directions.